what's been on my mind.
It is hot out, you guys.
It's so damn hot. Milk was a bad choice.
It is hot. Very hot.
Gross.
It is gross.
It's so disgusting.
Really?
Sorry. Anyways, we're gonna try to do this video. Right now, I have a Lear tonneau cover. Had it since I bought the truck. It's been great. Anybody wants to buy it? I'll make you a deal. But I've been trying to convince Heather we need something that gives us more headroom back there, so we can put our electric bikes in there, anything else that's tall, and something that could be easily put down if we were ever to upgrade to a fifth wheel or something like that. So I started looking around, and they have soft caps. So Best Cap makes one, and so does SofTopper. Anyways, I went ahead and purchased SofTopper for my 6 3/4 foot bed, and it has arrived. We're gonna install it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we have taken off the tonneau and put these two rails together. Set them in place, and now Heather's looking for the next component. Just go ahead and turn it towards you. And then set it over the edge and line it back up here. Just like a bathtub.
Pick the tailgate up.
And there it is, the SofTopper. Took forever in 95-degree weather, but we accomplished it. Not bad. It is hot as can be in there. back window in the front and in the back of the topper. I'm going to do this video since I've been getting a lot of requests on my SofTopper. That's the name brand. They're out of Boulder, Colorado. SofTopper. And you can see it is vinyl like the Jeeps, snaps, and consists of a little bit of Velcro on the back of your tailgate. There are zips here. Unzip this, simply pop this out, and depending on the size and bed, this section here with the bar that goes across and how it connects to the bar on the side will be different. I've seen a couple different configurations. Anyways, you just pop that out and then you can roll this up. Same thing with the sides. So this is what we call safari mode. And you simply just unsnap here, unzip there, and pull the Velcro off here, roll it up, and you got 3 buckles to hold it in place. This whole frame system here runs all the way across and down. It's all assembled when you get it, and there is a pin right down here. You can see that. You can pull that and just pull the whole entire top off if you want, and the rails would stay on. The rails are connected with these huge, I don't know, C-clips with a bolt, and they're not like some that come with tonneau covers that are cheap or flimsy. These things are bulky and solid. And then on the bottom of the rail's in 2 pieces right in the middle there. On the bottom of the rail is some felt, just to keep water and so that the metal's not touching your plastic. And then you have these 2 like tension straps on each side. You have 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And depending on how loose the top is, you can just pull this or loosen it, and they just clip in here. So you can have it in safari mode, which is both sides up. I guess you could leave the back down, but I would think the air would kind of bubble in there when you're driving down the road. Or you can have it completely enclosed. Which would look like this. Or you can just leave the sides down, roll up the back, and just have the back open. You can also, if you have a 5th wheel, simply undo these, roll the back up, and then unsnap your snaps, and then the whole thing will just fold forward. This just slides down in between the bed and the cab, and then the flap on the inside, they give you 3 snaps, and you simply screw those into the metal on the bed on the back wall here, and that holds this window down. We enjoy it. I've taken it through the car wash. No water gets in, unlike my tonneau that used to have water in all the time when I'd go through the car wash. Wind doesn't affect it. Snow had about a foot of snow on the top of it, didn't affect it. Sometimes you do have to tighten up the straps. Especially I drove down here with the safari mode, the 2 sides and the back up, and just from all the wind turbulence, this started to see how rigid that is now. It got a little loose, and that was because these loosened up. If you pull the Velcro, you don't have to pull the bars, but you can lower your tailgate and these can stay on. So you don't have to take the whole back window off just